seen few commands. Okay, they were ls and kdir, then mkdir, then we have seen cd. Okay, then cd space dot dot. Okay, so and touch. Okay, so we have seen this number of commands. Okay, apart than this, we have also seen the commands for ls. Okay, that is verbose for ls. That means if I do man pages. Okay, yes, we have also seen the man pages, manual pages for command ls. So we have seen these different number of verbose, that is hyphen commands to perform on screen. So this will perform the different number of the operations that we wish to have on our output as well. So okay, anyways, so so likewise we can go further for different number of commands, like if okay, so if we have uh, uh make directory, basically
को देवावड़ी कर, अब मेरे को बोलते हैं इसको नहीं करते तो मैं कितना करूं, ऊपर ढाबा जाके देखा पूरा मैंने।
okay, so let us start with today's practical for new, as we have mkdir. Okay, mkdir I am making an ldf, so okay, it might be have, yes, it is having mk mkdir ldrp itr. This is my new folder. Oh, it is also there. Cannot create, permission denied. Okay, okay, fine. So okay, so here, so now I have a folder named ldrpitr. Okay, so and ldrpitr. So this is my folder. Okay, here I have made one file using touch command. Okay, touch means with the help of touch I can make a file, that is BECE capital B. Okay, so fourth semester, uh, fourth semester. So this is my C. By doing ls, I can view it as well. Okay, so this is what my file is, and here I am making a one more folder, sem4. Okay, so here I have two, that is one single is folder and single is directory, one folder and one file. So the hyphen here, the hyphen indicates, this hyphen indicates that this is a file, and this D indicates this is a directory. Okay, so here we have different number of commands for file and directory. Apart than this, okay, with, so here we made a file with the help of touch command. Okay, let us have one more uh, practical one. This is my one file. Okay, so there are three ways to make it. Okay, now to make a file like vi, with the help of vi and practical underscore 2. Okay, here I can view nothing. Okay, for example, with the help of vi space file name. Okay, we'll see once again. See here, what, see when I insert I, it will show me insert into yes dear sir, webinar is not working. So I also saw the webinar is not working. So this is for my personal system. So what shall we do? So this is how we can do. We can create a file with the help of vi. Okay, so let us say I like to learn Unix, and then I make escape, then wq, and then so this w means write and q is for quit. So when I do w and q, it will write the value. That means it will save and exit. Okay, when you do save control s, it will save the value and it will get exit. Okay, so see here, let us do ls. So we have two files, file number one, practical number one, and practical number two, that is practical two. Okay, so what is the difference between these two and these two? Ha bolo, we have written in vi practical 2, that is first that we have written I like to learn Unix. Then we have inserted one more line, that is I will respect my parents. Okay, but without saving, we have exited from, we have closed the file without saving. Okay, so the content remains unchanged. So the addition of one line is not there because of unsaved data is there. So this is what we have, only single line I like to learn Unix. Okay, so with the help of vi command and touch command, we can create a file. One more command, that is cat. Okay, this is what one more command, that is sorry, practical number 3. Okay, so this is what is there. Okay, then oh, I'm sorry. Uh, it's actually sorry. મારાથી બે વખત okay, fine. So મારાથી બે વખત exit control z બે વખત દબાઈ ગયું તો terminate થઈ ગયું. Okay, so yes, I will. I I like my parents. So this is how we can create a file with the help of touch command Then we can also make a file with the help of vi command. We can also make the we can create a file with the help of cat command. Okay, so cat command is usually it is used to see the content of a file. Okay, અહીંયા આપણે લખેલું છે ને કે see this is what my content of a file is. Okay, okay. So this is how we have cat command, that is practical number 3 in. So with the help of touch command, with the help of vi command, and we can with the help of cat we can create a file. Okay, so now you perform in your system all the 3 commands. Okay, I will ask randomly to share the screen. આપણે ગમે તે અટકી ગયા હોય તો આપણે શું કરવાનું પીડબ્લ્યુડી કરી લેવાનું એટલે આપણને ખબર પડે કે આપણે what is my path, and after doing so, when we do ls we be able to see the number of files and folders available the over the location. So I can, apart than this, I can do many things. For example, if I wish to see the calendar with the help of cal command, we can see the calendar. Okay, so this is current working calendar. Okay, what happens if I wish to see the calendar of December 2020? પેલા આખા 2020 નું મારે જોવું તો મારે શું કરવાનું? Definitely 2020 will be my calendar for whole year. Okay, okay, so this is what a whole calendar is available. Yes, so you perform in your system. Okay, so if you wish to do so, then you can have, so you have only the single calendar month of your calendar, that is December. If you wish to see, okay, the 1942, you will have a calendar of 1942 as well. Getting, so this is how your calendar is defined with the help of command cal. Now if you wish to see the current date, you can see the current date, time, and region, that is IST, Indian Standard Time, that is, and Wednesday, today is Wednesday, March 10th, okay, 2021. So this is the end. This is what the actual time of a server. See, when you are working with a server, okay, when you are working with remote servers, there the time will be of servers. It shows the time of a server, but so it is not. It will not show a time of your system. It shows the time of a server. Okay, so for example, here in my system or in usual system, it is 12:30, okay, at noon. But here it shows 11:41 because the server time is not synchronized with the network. So it shows, or and it is not been updated. So this is what my the time lags behind the today's date. Okay. Okay, let us go ahead. What if I wish to change the date? Okay, this is for your homework. You need to see, or you need to tell me tomorrow or the into the next lab session that how you can change the date of a system, Unix system. Okay. So next command is next command next command is W. So with the help of W, you can view that how many numbers of users are logged in. Okay, how many users are logged in? That is user LDRP and LDRP both are logged in. So presently two labs are going on. So and it shows the it shows the terminal that this is what the IP address of a system, and this is IP address of my computer system, which because we have logged in over the user. Okay, so user LDRP. So we have logged in and it works for 160.164.103 IP address where that is present terminal system is first terminal system, and the utilization of CPU is given, and this is what is executed over the terminal this, that is W, that we have used W. Okay, if the other command or the same command is who, okay, with the help of who we can view that this is a username LDRP, this is a terminal, and these are the IP address and the login details of who has logged in. So in any server, though it is a regular server or a professional server, usually people, those who are working with the Unix system, they usually go for giving you viewing the user details. Okay. Then let us go with the other command, that is echo. A very important is echo. So to do echo, you are supposed to do echo space, okay, colon, that is the inverted colon, double inverted colon, sorry, double inverted comma, then today is Wednesday. Okay, so this is my echo. So whenever, so echo is used to print a line. જેમ કે તમે printf કરો તો printf માં શું થાય? printf will print the line. Okay, આમાં જે double inverted comma માં જેવી છે, so it will print the uh, the content between the double inverted colon. So the echo, with the help of echo, it will help very easily. So the JV and the લખેલો છે double headed comma માં એ બધું તમને અહીંયા display થશે. So it is used to display the content of a line between the columns. Then one more is host name. Okay, so we are using Ubuntu server for working. So here our host name is Ubuntu server, and then we do many practices with like okay, like you can say that is uh, okay uh, top, a very important of top command. That the importance of top command is very important, because this is what we are going to learn over the subject. Okay, once again I will show this this practical. I will show this screen. Okay, so please keep your concentration over here, because it shows all the details, JJ, whatever we are going to learn. Okay, so जितना भी हम पढ़ने वाले हैं overall the our रेगुलर लेक्चर्स. ओके, जो जो भी हमारे लेक्चर्स है उसके अंदर जो भी हम पढ़ेंगे वो सारा कितना चिट्ठा ये टॉप कमांड के अंदर अवेलेबल है, क्योंकि it shows that what is logged in, who are the users, what user is using what type of command, and what is the status of present वर्क प्रेजेंट सिस्टम. जैसे सीपीयू टाइम है, मेमोरी कितनी यूटिलाइज किया है, ओके, कौन सा कमांड एग्जीक्यूट हुआ, कौन सा यूजर है. ओके, ईच एंड एवरी प्रोसेस हैज पर्टिकुलर नंबर, दैट इज प्रोसेस आईडी. तो ये क्या है, प्रोसेस आईडी है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट द सर्विस इज एसोसिएटेड विद, जैसे टॉम कैट की है वगैरह वगैरह जो है वो सारी प्रोसेस आईडी है. सो सी द रूट, जैसे पिछले लेक्चर में कहा कि डबल मतलब 999 दैट इज 1000 के अंदर जितनी भी प्रोसेस एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है वो सारी उस सारी पीआई उस सारी यू मतलब जो पीआई सारी प्रोसेस का जो आईडी है विल बी लेसर देन the user, that is lesser than 1000, because it is being generated by a root user. जैसे ये root user है तो उसकी process ID बहुत ही means it is under 1000, 1000 के अंदर है. ठीक है, जैसे एक LDRP यूजर थ्रू हमने लॉगिन किया है तो its PID is the PID is more than 1000. okay, 1000 PID से भी आगे है. सी okay, 24442, this is what is the PID. और जिसके अंदर it shows what command that we are using. Presently we are using top command. Okay, so this is what my virtual system is. Then resources. Okay, RES, that is resources, what number of resources it is using currently. And this is what my the PR, that is permanent address is pointed, that is pointer details. And whether the resources are shared, yes, it is being shared system. जैसे बैच सिस्टम हो ये सिस्टम the resource share करा. Okay, and the time of the details. Yeah, now you start watching this. What the data is available, task, how many different number of process or task we can say. 145 total number of processes are executing presently. Okay, એમાં કેટલી execution માં છે, running is single. Rest of the 145, that is 144 processes are in sleeping, that is available over the stack. ओके, एक भी प्रोसेस ऐसी नहीं है कि जिसको स्टॉप किया है. ओके, एंड दिस इज अ ज़ोंबी process. We'll see the zombie process later on. What total number of CPU is been using? 0 or 0.1. सिस्टम का कितना यूज कर रहा है? 0.1. ओके, इतनी सारी, दैट इज 145 टोटल प्रोसेसेस are under execution. Still the ratio is 0. Okay, and then the id, that is total number of IDs, id, that is uh, enlisted total number of tasks or the processes is 99 or 100. Okay, so the total number of process જેની stack માં છે બધી અંદર લઈ લીધી છે. Okay, so next is total number of RAM, memory utilized. Okay, so memory આટલી utilize થઈ છે અને આટલી available છે. Okay, so this is what the used number of total, and this is what it is free memory available for server. So it is known as a buffer. એટલે આ જે છે એ buffered process માંથી execution માં આવેલી છે. And this is what the swap is. It's good to have a 0, that is very less or less than 10 number of process to be in swapped. And બીજું એક issue એવું છે કે we have not created swap partition over the Unix Ubuntu server, else it is not be available. Next is, this is what total number of cache available. RAM ની અંદર જે cache memory છે એ available થશે. Okay, so this is how we can create we can see the total number of the details of it. Okay, okay, so to exit from the said terminal is 1. So I insist you to perform all these today's performed practical into your terminal. Okay, online terminal એક નથી, ઘણા બધા છે. એક કરતા બીજા એક વેબિનર ના ચાલતો હોય ફોર ઇવેન્ટ, તો તમે બીજી કોઈ માં બી તમે એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરી શકાય. ઓકે,